Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your iPad is unlocked and on the Bluetooth page. This is critical because pairing prompts appear there. Next, place both AirPods in their case and keep the lid closed for a few seconds to ensure they're registered as a single accessory. Once done, open the AirPods case near the iPad while still on the Bluetooth screen. The iPad scans automatically. This avoids canceling the prompt. Don't move the devices until the next screen appears. When the case opens, the iPad should show a pairing animation or the AirPods name. That visual confirms discovery. If you see the name, tap Connect immediately. This tells iPad to initiate the secure pairing handshake. Make sure to follow any prompts such as setting up Hey Siri or firmware updates. Those finish the setup and enable features. If you own multiple Apple devices, stay signed in to the same Apple ID so iCloud Sync can propagate the connection seamlessly. After tapping Connect, wait until the iPad confirms the AirPods are connected. Control Center will show them as the audio output. Test playback and microphone by playing a clip and making a quick voice memo. This verifies both channels. If something fails, reset the AirPods. Close lid, hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white, then retry pairing. This resets clocks and profiles, usually resolving stubborn pairing or firmware mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.